Welcome to Daily CoinCu Crypto News. Here are today's headlines. US CryptoFed DAO seeks US SEC approval for stable utility tokens. Over 60 South Korean cryptocurrency exchanges will close next week. El Salvador ranks third in Bitcoin ATM installations worldwide. OpenSeas product manager Nate Chastain resigns amid NFT insider trading controversy. CryptoPeace, potential NFT playground for gamers to shine. Now let's dive into the details of these. US CryptoFed DAO seeks US SEC approval for stable utility tokens. The American CryptoFed DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization based in Wyoming, has filed two forms with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to bring two variants of dependent stablecoins onto the market. The two are called Lock and Ducat. According to the CryptoFed Form 10, the tokens must be registered as utility tokens that are stored in the internal CryptoFed blockchain. However, the SEC Form 10 is used to register securities for potential trading on U.S. stock exchanges, and is therefore not intended for so-called utility listings. Over 60 South Korean cryptocurrency exchanges will close next week. More than 60 crypto exchanges in South Korea are going to close for a week, and they have little or no time to let their users know, so read more on our latest crypto news. South Korean cryptocurrency exchanges that fail to meet the Financial Intelligence Unit's registration rules must inform their clients a week before September 24th that they will close all operations. More than 60 Korean exchanges will do just that, and they have been directed to inform their clients on how to provide details about their withdrawal options. El Salvador ranks third in Bitcoin ATM installations worldwide. El Salvador currently has the third largest network of crypto ATMs after the US and Canada, accounting for 70% of all crypto ATMs in South America. According to data from Coin ATM Radar, El Salvador has surpassed the UK's crypto ATMs, having deployed 205 crypto ATMs to date to facilitate local Bitcoin transactions and conversions. BTC in US dollars. OpenSeas product manager Nate Chastain resigns amid NFT insider trading controversy. Rumors of insider trading at OpenSeas, the industry's largest NFT marketplace, were confirmed in a statement today, September 18. The crypto community reacted angrily yesterday after learning that one of the company's senior executives used inside information to trade NFTs. And while the company failed to identify who had profited thousands of dollars in ETH from insider trading, the Twitter community quickly found evidence that it was Nate Chastain, OpenSeas product manager. CryptoPeace, potential NFT playground for gamers to shine. The outstanding development of the cryptocurrency industry, in particular, and blockchain technology in general around the world has sparked an unprecedented fever in the NFT gaming market today. And in a country with a large game industry like Vietnam, it is not an exaggeration to say that we will be the capital of the new generation of games in the future. One of the most anticipated projects that promises to rock the global NFT gaming community to launch this September is CryptoPeace.